bamuzibwe nti baakulaba, n'abali mu nnaku nga baafuna eddembe n'okulangirira omwaka gw'Omukama ogw'okuddirwamu n'olunaku olw'okukkizibwa. Bwe yamala okuzingako ekitabo n'akiddisa omuweereza n'atuula. Bonna abaali mu sinagooga ne bamusinga bagamba nti, olwaleero ekyawandiikibwa ekyo kye muwulidde mu matu gammwe kituukiridde. Bino bonna ne basiima enjigiriza ye, ne bamusamaalirira olw'ebigambo ebiwoomerevu ebyali biva mu kamwa ke. At that time, Jesus returned to Galilee in the power of the Spirit, and the news of him spread throughout the whole region. He taught in their synagogues and was praised by all. He came to Nazareth, where he had grown up, and went according to his custom into the synagogue on the Sabbath day. He stood up to read, and was handed a scroll of the prophet Isaiah. He unrolled the scroll and found they wanted me to bring glad tidings to the poor. He has sent me to proclaim liberty to the captives and recovery of sight to the blind, to let the oppressed go free, and to proclaim a year acceptable to the Lord. Not to have the scroll, he handed it back to attendants and sat down. And the eyes of all in the synagogue looked intently at him. He said to them, "Today this passage is fulfilled in your hearing." And all spoke highly of him, and were amazed at the gracious words that came from his mouth. Verbum Domini.
Abooluganda mu budde buno tugenda kuyimirira tukoowole Mwoyo Mutuukirivu atukkeko akke ne ku bazaana be abagenda okuba obweyamo obw'olubeerera, ffenna atusobozese bulijjo okukola Katonda ky'ayagala. We are now going to rise and invoke the Holy Spirit to come upon us all.